Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser on Messenger. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Messenger app and you click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In this page you will click on Play Store. You will search about the application of Messenger, Facebook Messenger, and here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again, so please don't forget to support us.